Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this beautiful wig, the style, everything. I'm just going to go into the video. The first thing you're going to need are T-pins and needles. I got this off Amazon. You're also going to need a spandex cap. I just used this because this is what I had to sew the wig down. Obviously thread, a wig cap so that you can put on your head before you put the wig, some scissors, and of course the hair. I got this hair from Dyhair777. I'm going to be listing it all down below, but it is body wave and I got 3 bundles. I just wanted curly hair, and I know body wave helps because it is already curly, so it holds curl better. So I have a 5x5 closure, which one of my friends, Justina, shout out to Justina, told me that is better for wigs. And then I have my bundles of hair. The first thing I did was obviously have my foam head. While I'm feeling like a professional wig maker with this foam head, and I put the wig cap on top of it. Then I go in, use the T-pins to secure the closure, and then just sew the closure down. I can definitely do a video on how I make my wigs. It's just that I don't feel like I'm so professional at it, and I get better and better every time I make them because I watch a lot of videos. But if you guys really want me to do a video on how I made this wig, then definitely let me know down below. I just do videos for you guys anyway. So I'm done with the closure, I'm done with the wig, and I want to bleach the knots. I used 30 volume developer and some bleach. I mixed that together. I want it to be thick because obviously the thicker it is, the better it will not penetrate into your roots. And this is actually the best type of bleaching I've ever done in my life because it actually came out and there were no blonde roots. I left it in for 15 minutes and here it is. This is what it looks like. I also plucked this wig and I plucked it wet, which was very new for me, but I am learning slowly how to make wigs better. So instead of cutting it straight across like the lace, I cut it in a zigzag fashion. Now, getting into wearing the wig. I have this wig cap. I like it because it's a light brown color. I use my Got To Be Glued. I put it in the areas where I needed to. And this is also something new that I learned. I am going to use the Got To Be Glued free spray right after the Got To Be Glued. This is so messy. I don't know why I did it like that. And I make sure that it dries, and I use a blow dryer on a cool setting. All these things are very new to me because I realized that I was making wigs very different, or I wasn't making them in the right way. So I secured the wig on my head and then I just scarfed it down. I wanted to make this video very quick and easy because I felt like it was pretty easy for me because I didn't have to bleach the hair or anything. So I took off the scarf and just fluffed the curls out. Let me know if you guys want a more comprehensive video. I just decided to do this video because you guys were asking. Ask anything that you feel like I did not explain down below, and of course I will answer. And I hope you guys are having a great week so far. That's basically it. Bye. No, this is actually one of my favorite weeks to date, low-key though.